Oh goodness, that's stripped the freaking nail.
Okay, our GFCI is broken. As you can see, the LED light is not on. The worst thing about it is the rest of the outlet not working too either. So we're gonna fix this and replace. This one is perfectly working. As you can see, the LED light. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna look for the breakers and shut off the power. So we're gonna look for the kitchen counter outlet right there. Kitchen counter, it's so 11 and 13, so there's two right there. Shut them off. Okay, let's see if it's off to make sure. Right there. Oh, it's perfectly off. We're gonna go to Home Depot and we're gonna buy a new GFCI outlet, but I'm gonna open this first and check so that we know what we're buying. So first thing first, disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, so we're gonna do this in our own risk, and it's better for you guys to hire a professional electrician. We're gonna use a screwdriver, either Philip or flathead. So we're gonna use flathead first to remove the
These are long screws.
Okay, we're gonna check the wiring. Oh, oops, yeah, there's 5 wires. So we're gonna go Home Depot and basically buy the same part.
Alright, we're gonna drop Marty off to school. Summer school. Anyway, I'll follow into class.
I like him. Is that the price for people?
We're at Home Depot to find a smart outlet because one of our smart outlets are broken.
We're here at Home Depot. Which one we're gonna buy?
A smart outlet.
Smart outlet. It's not a smart outlet. It's a GFCI outlet. Huh? Oh, more mask. For mom.
From all of these are for mom.
Okay, we're here at Home Depot. Huh? Hey, where's the electrical? Where are you going? Outlet. Smart suitcase. Oh, this one. Yeah.
Oh.
The one with the light though. We're open. Okay, this is the one. We have this black for 15 pounds. We have gray. This is the one we're gonna take it. 15 pounds. We're gonna double check if it's this the one. This is the one. With LED. Okay. Let's fix this one.
Who needs this?
Oh, look.
It's massive. Who needs this? That's
Shoes over there.
Two balls.
Are you sure? Right there, look at the price.
Too much.
Table saw. Table saw. You cut the plywood so that it's straight. I like this one. Look at the price. $69. But this is the one I want. You can adjust it.
Heard us at a record, you know.
Thank you. Okay, this is the new part, new GFCI outlet right there. Okay, so guys, disclaimer again that I'm not an electrician, so this is I'm just gonna do it on my own risk. So I'm just gonna follow the instruction right here and replace the whole thing. Okay, this one screw is top. The flathead screwdriver gonna even do it, so we're gonna use power drill. Let's see if we can use it, and use gloves.
Oh goodness, that's stripped the freaking nail.
It's stripped.
Yeah, you can't. It's gone. The drill's fine though.
Well, power drill not working, so we're gonna use pliers and everything. Let's see how the thing works. Hey! There you go. Plier works. Okay, we're gonna install the new GFCI. So we're gonna follow the instruction again.
Putting it back into the wall, we've finished the very gruesome process of removing Alright. Disclaimer. Do not do anything that we did in this video, because you can potentially die or injure yourself. Because we're literally working with electricity here.
So you hire a professional electrician
Yes.
to do this job.
We're almost done.
Okay, it's done.
Oh my gosh, that's what a relief.
And then we're gonna test them out. There you go. It has a sticker. It says GFCI protected outlet. So with the other two. Then we're gonna turn the power back on. And there you go. Get the LED lighting. The power back on, and then we're gonna test them out. Okay, we're gonna test this boiling egg machine. It's working. And there you go. It works. It's on. Okay, let's test this one. It's on. Perfect.